Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the Daily Options Trade. How's everybody doing today? Today we're going to be looking at PSTH. It's coming near expiration. I'm going to try to roll it. Alright, only getting 5 cents for a week. That's bad. Let's keep going out until we get something reasonable. Let's go to the monthly. $1.95, that's pretty good. If I do that 12 times a year, let's go shave some little off of there. Let's go down to 90. That would be a good amount of money. That's like 75% almost around. Rough math. See if that'll go. Submit. Well, it didn't look like it went through. But 190 times 12 is pretty good money. Right? Times 12 is $22.80 divided by 29. That's a 78.6% return per year if I can capture that. So let's go to activity. Looks like it did not execute. Okay, so I could take that down some more. 85. That's still really good money. So I think that filled. Let's go back. There it is. So we've rolled it out a month, and we made some pretty good money on it. So I don't have to worry about that for a while. Laser still has another week. I'm gonna have to roll that or something. That's pretty bad. DocuSign, a little nervous about. It's going up, so it's getting better. Still pretty deep in the money. So probably want to wait a little bit on that one as well. CHWY, remember I put the shares and sold the call to reduce my cost basis. Looks like it's doing pretty good. I made $75 on the call so far. So we still have a little ways to go on that one. And CHWY was really close to the money the other day. So I put this just closeout call or closeout on it for like $5. Hoping it would catch it, but it didn't. But I still got another week, so it's pretty close to the money. So I'm not really worried about it so much. So for today, that's it for this account. If you guys have any questions on how to handle these, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for the daily options trade, as well as wealth building and crypto. Alright guys, thanks.